Hey everybody and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how we can easily add music to our Instagram stories. So even if the music sticker is not showing, you can just go over and follow this process. So let's just jump right in. You can open up the Instagram application for that. And once you open up the Instagram, you can swipe to open up story section or look out for your story option in the top left corner and select it and select up a video or select a photo from your gallery or even record or click a picture at the moment. And then once you go ahead and select up a picture or photo from your gallery, you will be taken to this page right here. Now, what you need to do is basically look out for the sticker icon or look out for the music option directly. On the new update, we have a music icon option directly. So, what you need to do is basically go ahead and find the music option on your sidebar or at the top menu and select it. And once you select it, you can just go over and choose a song. You can pick the part of the song that you want. There are a bunch of songs available. You can look out for the song or look out for the songs from the suggestions itself. So let's just use one of these, for example, this. And once you're okay with the song, you can tap on this arrow icon and go to the next process. And you can just go over and pick the part of the song that you want to add. I would like to add this part. And you can even select or customize the lyrics, the album art, or small music bar and just go ahead and do so. After that is done, you can just go over and look out for this option of your story and tap on it. And once you tap on it, the story should be posted. And that is it. Apart from that, if you are not getting the music icon, make sure your application is updated to the latest version. So for that, close this app right here and go to your device's app store. And from there, you can go to the search. And within the search, you can just go over and look out for the Instagram application. And then once you find Instagram, select it up and you can just go over and look out for update if there is any kind of update available for the application and just go over and do so. And that is how we add music to Instagram stories. So you can just go over and follow up the steps for that. We hope this video was helpful. Hit the like button and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.